Understanding dict.copy, shallow or deep. While reading up the documentation for dict.copy, it says that it makes a shallow copy of the dictionary. Same goes for the book I am following, Beasley's Python reference, which says, the m.copy method makes a shallow copy of the items contained in a mapping object and places them in a new mapping object. Consider this. So I assumed this would update the value of original, and add C3, also since I was doing a shallow copy. Like if you do it for a list. This works as expected. Since both are shallow copies, why is that the dict.copy doesn't work as I expect it to? Or my understanding of shallow versus deep copying is flawed?
By shallow copying it means the content of the dictionary is not copied by value, but just creating a new reference. In contrast, a deep copy will copy all contents by value. So, B equals A, reference assignment, make A and B points to the same object. B equals a dot copy, shallow copying, A and B will become two isolated objects, but their contents still share the same reference. B equals copy dot deep copy A, deep copying, A and B's structure and content become completely isolated.
Take this example. Now let's change a value in the shallow, first, level. Now let's change a value one level deeper.
It's not a matter of deep copy or shallow copy, none of what you're doing is deep copy. Here, you're creating a new reference to the list/dict referenced by original. While here, you're creating a new list/dict which is filled with a copy of the references of objects contained in the original container.
Adding to Kennington's answer. When you do a shallow copy, parent.copy, a new dictionary is created with same keys, but the values are not copied, they are referenced. But if you add a new value to parent_copy, it won't affect parent because parent_copy is a new dictionary, not reference. The hash ID value of parent1, parent_copy1, are identical, which implies 1, 2, 3 of parent1 and parent_copy1 stored at ID 140,690,938,288,400. But hash of parent and parent_copy are different, which implies they are different dictionaries, and parent_copy is a new dictionary having values referenced to values of parent.
was your username suspect?